girls, here's your tour of the deck. So we're going to start over here and see how everything has grown. So here's our crustulation, our sedum. It's growing in the pot. Look how big it is compared to my hands. Here's our mandina. Remember, it was just this tall when we bought it. Now all of this is new. Down here is our flowering yellow plant. I think it had one flower when you were here. And here is our sideways pot, the butterfly bush. See how pretty? Here's our crazy herbs. They're really liking being in this bowl. Here's the cilantro and the curled parsley, the chives, and hiding back here is the oregano. There it is. It's growing towards the deck so it can get some sun. All of our little pansies are doing well. You can see these here. And there's some more over here. They're all very happy. Here's our ginkgo, periwinkle, growing in the pot. And our geranium has more flowers on it. And our ginkgo growing in the pot. Down here is our jasmine, and it's starting to get pretty tall and bushy. It's growing out towards the sun. Our lavender. Remember, those were just this tall when we got them, so all this is new. Here is our butterfly bush over here. This one has had a lot of flowers on it, and it's really big. See, it's reaching all the way over there. Look at all those pretty, pretty flowers. Let's put those back out so we can see them downstairs. Here is our sage. And your girl's favorite, the chocolate mint. I actually trimmed some of it today to make some tea because it's so crazy. Look at all this chocolate mint. It's growing everywhere. And down in here is the marjoram. And it's also growing out towards the sun. Here's our pot with just kind of the random stuff. We have our pretty little firegrass and our English ivy starting to spill over the pot. And another little cactus-like plant. I think that's the hidden jinx. Over here is the Carolina jessamine. And you can see it's growing crazy too. It's going out, it's trying to escape. It's growing all up here, all the way around here. And I keep having to get it because it keeps trying to grow over here to this plant. Here's our strawberries. Some of them, look, strawberries. It's trying to get some. June is strawberry month here. Here's our plant that was inside, the bougainvillea, and it is getting very tall. It lost all its old leaves and it's getting a bunch of new ones. Here's some more dragon tongue sedum. It's actually hanging over the pot down, like it's trying to grow towards the ground. Here's some more. There's a bunch of it. And finally, you're not going to believe this. Look at our crazy tomato plant. Look how tall this is. So, and we're starting to get flowers, which means we're going to start getting tomatoes. Down here's the last strawberry plant. Look how big that strawberry is. And there's several more over here. There's a bunch of strawberries on this one over here too. So we will soon have strawberries. And last but not least, our little thyme up here, growing happily away with its big gun in the pot also. So that's the tour. As you can see, we have plants taking over. Oh, and one more thing. I got a new one today. Here's some cinnamon basil. That's it. All right. Bye, girls. See you later.